While many details about the iPhone 17 have already surfaced through leaks and reports, Apple still has a few surprises in store. In this video, we'll walk you through the final, most reliable leaks and rumors that give us a pretty good picture of what to expect. First off, the design is no longer a mystery. Months-old leaks have now been confirmed, and both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature a massive camera bar on the back. This isn't just a bold design choice, it serves a practical purpose that ties directly into the next big change, the camera system. Apple is introducing a new 48-megapixel telephoto camera sensor, and there's strong speculation that we'll also see a variable periscope zoom lens. If that turns out to be true, users will get up to 8x optical zoom, something that could finally challenge Samsung's long-standing dominance in smartphone zoom technology. Battery life is another major area of improvement. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery. Combined with iOS 26's optimizations, this means much longer screen-on time for users. Of course, a larger battery does come with trade-offs, and the new Pro models will be thicker and bulkier than before. To balance out the added weight, Apple is returning to an aluminum unibody design, moving away from titanium. While aluminum isn't as strong, it's lighter and allows better heat dissipation, which should improve performance under heavy use. When it comes to looks, Apple is making things more exciting with two new Pro colors hinted at in the event invite: orange and deep blue. The orange in particular could stand out if it matches the vibrant shade seen on the Apple Watch Ultra. Performance also gets a serious boost this year, with RAM increasing from 8GB to 12GB. This means apps and games will stay open longer in the background, offering smoother multitasking for both gamers and everyday users. However, one area that remains uncertain is the dynamic island. There's no confirmed information yet on whether it will shrink this year, so we'll have to wait until the event to find out. Pricing is also changing. The iPhone 17 Pro will start at $1,049, which is $50 more than the previous generation. On the bright side, Apple is doubling the base storage from 128GB to 256GB, making the higher price a little easier to justify. Alongside the Pro models, Apple is also set to unveil the super thin iPhone 17 Air and the regular iPhone 17, giving buyers more options across the lineup. The Apple event this year feels bigger than usual because the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be a major step forward rather than just a small upgrade. With design refinements, powerful new cameras, and longer battery life, Apple appears to be targeting both loyal users and those considering a switch from Android. The addition of new colors and higher base storage also shows that Apple wants the Pro models to stand out even more as premium devices. As the countdown continues, the big question remains, what do you think of these changes? Are you excited about the new features, or do the price increases make you hesitate? Please share your thoughts on the upcoming iPhones, and be sure to subscribe to us for more tech content. See you in the next one.